ingredients: ice cube, ice cream, half glass vanilla sweetened milk, strawberry, and sugar, water. First, cut the strawberries into many pieces. Put the strawberries pieces into blender. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Put the ice cubes into blender. Put the vanilla sweet milk into blender. Put the ice cream into blender. Add the water. Blend it.